What's good, everybody? I'm a little bit late. I woke up late yesterday on Monday, but there was a good price action yesterday, so I really sold. And we're like on Sunday, around what's it called? On Sunday, like around like in the afternoon when Asian market opened, I marked out this new week opening gap, and during New York session was perfect time to take trades towards the to the new week opening gap, and then I sold and I woke up at 8 in the morning. So it's my bad. And here we're actually late today too, but I didn't wake up late. I just got out the shower at like 6:30, now 6:44. So let's go. I'm only gonna be trading today. Maybe not. Actually, it'd be cool to trade on Thursday and Friday because I'm gonna be in AZ. So yeah, let's go ahead and see. Let me just go ahead and mark out everything I'm selling because I'm already late. Let me shut up. Alright, boys. Done marking out everything. We have our liquidity areas, high time frame liquidity, hourly liquidity, session high and low. Well, we already swept London low, so, and we are not yet bullish on the 15-minute, but on the 1 hour, we're bullish. On the 4 hour, bullish too. And right now, it just looks like we're retracing into a gap. Could be heading up towards all this high time frame liquidity here. What else? Yeah, we have a SMT here at these highs. NQ sweeps these. Yes, it's not, so we can be mindful for a reversal here. So let's go ahead and get onto the 5 minutes, see what happens. And we're in this 1 hour gap. Looks like we're reacting to this 1 hour gap. So by the way, this is Asian low as well. Let me actually mark out this low time frame liquidity. And we have relative equal highs somewhere around here. I think it was on ES. One of these is relative equal highs. Okay, where I lost it. Or it might be equal lows. Yeah, I don't remember, but whatever. Oh, we're getting a strong reaction to the downside for some reason. On the 5 minute, we have been bearish, so. Let's see if we get a reaction to this gap. That'd be ideal. Price is moving a little crazy right now, boys. Oh my goodness, now we're getting a huge candle to the upside. We are reacting to this gap once again, and we're in high time frame equilibrium, or higher time frame equilibrium. Alright. Let me actually... we need to close bearish here. So yeah, we're in equilibrium. NQ didn't even close bearish. So yeah, I think we could be looking for longs though. Probably on NQ. Was there like some sort of news or something? Bro, what? What is going on right now? Yeah, we are in equilibrium, so I want to see a reaction, which we just got a reaction, a huge reaction. Let me go ahead and go on the 5 minute. 10 minute. Bro, we can't even mark out equilibrium on NQ. Oh shoot. Make this way tighter. Okay. We're seeing good confluences. Oh, never mind. It's not even. I'm not counting that as a fair value gap. Fuck all that. So, but we're reacting to a 1 minute gap. NQ. Looking for an inverse of a 1 minute gap. Oh, watch out. Let's go ahead and inverse this and then get a clean retracement. And we could take a long up to these highs. We already reacted to this gap down here. Nah, yeah, I think we're looking pretty bullish. Oh, that's dumb to say. Yeah, so 5 minute, all it is doing is retracing into this 1 hour gap. I want to see a good reaction onto this gap and then take a longs. See if we inverse or react out of this 1 minute. Okay. Yes, it's tapping into 1 hour gap again. Well, we're getting huge candles. It's kind of choppy. I'll come back once we inverse this bearish gap as bullish gap. Let's see what happens. Alright, we're in this gap again. In this bearish gap, so I want to see an inverse, not a push back down, bro. We actually have this 1 minute gap ideas here too, so we gotta watch out for that. This has already been inversed. Bro, what is... I just think we're doing a clean retrace on the 5 minute. To be honest. Actually, it's like actually not even going down at all. Straight bullish. Let's go ahead and inverse this gap. Come on. I don't like how we're just going back and forth between these two gaps. But we already reacted to 1 hour gap, swept liquidity has 2 good confluences. Or bullish. But this is pre-market, so I couldn't even take any trades. What was it? Market open here. So after market open, we come up. Inverse bearish gap. Come back up. So actually, I don't know. Looks like we're bearish because we inverse this gap. What's it called? Break a structure to the downside, so pushing lower. But actually, we're respecting this bearish gap, but also this bullish gap at the same time. Yes, it's actually looking kind of bearish. Today's looking kind of weird, boys. come back onto some action. Alright, boys, we just inverse this 1 minute gap. I'm going to the downside. Bro, what the fuck? That is so weird. Let's see what the higher time frames are saying. Oh yeah, I see a reaction to this gap. Tap into this gap up here, we wick it. Reaction back down. We might be coming down to sweep Asia lows. There we just tap into this 15-minute gap. Getting a bearish reaction. I don't like how we're moving today. Today is ass. Well, we just swept this low. We're in this 1 hour gap. I'm not seeing shit. Hold up, boys. Alright, boys. We just swept liquidity. And we have an inverse of this 1 minute gap. Bigger structure. NQ didn't sweep it. Honestly, NQ reverses what 3 minute gap. Alright. Let's go ahead and get a reversal so then I could look for longs. Come on. Come on. We need to see a strong push out of this gap. Let's react to this inverse gap, maybe? Let's react to this inverse gap. And if we react to this inverse gap, I don't know if that'll be all the confluences I need. And it's barely liquidity, sweep bigger structure, inverse for other gap reaction to the inverse. Oh no. Or we just push below it. Yeah, bro. I'm just gonna react to this fair value gap now. No, you don't want to? Yeah. Still in this 1 minute gap, or this 1 hour gap. Pretty sure we just tapped into equilibrium too. Yeah, bro. Right now it's looking like no trades. And by the way, boys, I might inverse this 1 minute gap. Have the shipping liquidity, so now we might be looking for longs if we inverse this gap. But I'll be back. I'm not gonna record this. I'm doing my homework real quick. I'll be back. Well, I'm about to enter long. We sub liquidity, NQ's leading index, SMT. Oh shit. Inverse fair value gap. Bro, what the fuck? Inverse fair value gap. Aiming for Asia highs. What is this? London high. We had a liquidity sweep on ES and reaction in this gap, so expected low. ES did not, NQ did not sweep it. Alright, I'm gonna just leave it there. What's it called? NQ did not sweep it, so we have SMT. Inverse fair value gap. Inverse of this gap as well. Alright, what's it called? We retrace into this fair value gap. We get a bullish reaction. So those are my confluences for this trade. So yeah, we already took all these lows here. Bro. Let's go ahead and see what happens in this trade. I'm gonna continue doing my homework and I'll be back. If we take this high up here, it'll be break even. Second, take profit. Let me just put it up here. Actually, no. Okay. That high there is break even. Let's go, boys. So not gonna lie, boys, I'm thinking about it. Should have taken on ES because NQ is still below this high. But I keep getting into situations where it's like the other index is leading and then this one can reverse before this one even reaches the high, causing SMT, and then I get stopped out. But bro, it's because this one didn't even sweep this low. See, so this one was a leading index, but ES is still above it. But we had displacement will go this high, so I think we're gonna push even higher. Up to these highs. Yeah, pretty much looks like it. So let's not get a reversal here. And I think I'm actually gonna move. Actually no. Stay disciplined. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I'm gonna start getting ready for school, boys. Alright, boys. That's where I would have gone. Break even. So if it comes down, then I just hit break even. So no matter what, risk-free trade. I'm actually very proud of this trade. I was realizing like when I'm gonna edit this video, what's it called? Like, bro, during the whole first like 15 minutes, I was looking so grim, bro. But that's why you stay patient. You don't take random trades, because the whole time I was thinking I'm not gonna find a trade today and the price is not moving in my direction. But I just need to wait a little longer because I was being really impatient today. Like, not like I was being patient in order to trade, but being impatient of like wanting to see action happen immediately. Because if we go to the 5 minute, I kind of entered late to be honest. But on the 5 minute, what do we do on the 5 minute? That's why you gotta be patient. On the 5 minute, all we did was react to this 1 hour gap, sweep liquidity on ES. Look at, we're getting straight bullish candles. So. What was that? What the hell, boys? But yeah. Now, I want to see Asia High get hit. Then we can go. I do not want to see a bearish reaction from sweeping this high. It's the worst that can happen. But yeah, let's go. Take profit 2 hit, boys. I don't know what the freak that was. I think something hit my window. Yikes. Or it was just someone hitting my door. But yeah. Take profit 2 hit. Let's go ahead and see London High get swept 2, boys. Yeah. Thank you, market makers. Okay, boys, I'll let y'all know if I hit TP or not. But just put my phone on the charger because I like for it to be charged at school. And if it gets hit at school, then I'm gonna put the same thing again. That was low-key tough. Your shoulder, he had decoy. I'm sorry. We're like literally 1 point away. Let's wait for it to hit, boys. And in the end, NQ was actually leading. It's already at London High, and yes, isn't. But damn, y'all see this? Straight bullish candles. Oh my gosh. So if you were looking on the 5 minute, you wouldn't even got this trade. Wait. See if I can say here, boys. 22-minute video. Perfect, perfect. Won't be hard to edit. Here. Hell, it always does that. Right before hitting full TP, it always goes down a little bit. I know that's not just me. Right before reaching a high, it has like a little slight pullback. Look at shot this game. What the fuck? Hold on, boys. Let me just record my for back. That's what I do. That's what I do. That's what I do. Come on, bro. Bro, it's just too easy, dope. Oh my goodness, dope. It's too easy, dude. Straight, no drawback or no pullback or nothing, bro. That's what I do. It's that simple. Look at this. That's what I do. That's what I do. I'm about to put the LARP anthem. 3, 2, 1. Imagine, okay, wait, before you put it, just imagine it's like, I'm gonna put it right and then I'm gonna be lip syncing over it. Tell me if I time it right, because I can't hear anything right now. Shoulda hit decoy. Sorry, I'm just never gonna do that again. See y'all later, boys. Good trade today.